Yes. So we don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe by the notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand my daily? Yeah, man. So whether you know to the title, you understand Vybz Kartel versus Mavado clash. And we are review the thing, you understand, Kawa? We are making name in the review section of things, you understand? We're about to be a god around here. So no more long talking. You don't know, as I say, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe by the notification bell. We're going to dive into the clash right now. Vybz Kartel versus Mavado. Let's get to it. Wicked entrance. Send them out. Send them out. Come true, teacher. Yo, Vada look grimy, you know.
Some boy is talk about buckler and Gaza. I don't know them dead. Gossa. Your mama think you're coming home,
but you're not.
Them love to chat. When the police are bored,
Kartel where them G?
let me come like a joke kick. Rascal. Them a walk out in a soldier suit. Mama think him a deal with.
Run out, teacher, run out. Gaza.
Some boy find out.
Them a barbars and roasters.
When them a try.
You must see blood clot fools.
Hey, Samuel, what's it on there?
Kill them all and done.
Okay, now, look. I am man of the say. You're born in farm. That boy, yeah. Turn up my mic. Turn up my buckler, man.
Turn it up.
Yo, turn up this. Yo.
Wickedest thing since last man, I swear.
Yo. Give me a mix. Hey, no, I don't tell you what I did there. Man, I do right. Yes. What this crazy left boy? This was not like. Yo, and I'm going to be here. They've got to go and give one here. Never know.
So the case there. So we keep them on here like Bulby. In the country.
Bunton have nothing to do with this. I mean, I are pussy. Bunton have nothing to do with this.
Because you have some people who say, him say, yo, no, matter of fact, we don't have a pass at that. I know somebody you want to talk, but go continue anyway.
I want the blood clot there. What the fuck they are, Caesar? From a chase like the upper Caesar. These out the face like my Caesar.
Kartel give Mavado too much time for talk.
Pussy, read them up. Don't stop that bomb buckler. Don't stop it. Hey. Him just say, nah.
Kartel give him too much time for talk.
Yeah, I'm farm. Bumbo was better man.
Another song.
Look.
About 3 to 4 times Mavado go.
Blood clot. I know me. See me support ya. See put gunshot in that boat ya. See me support ya. I want the blood and the blood. Stick. What on there? When the step out now, soldier. What on? Him step out like soldier. Surrender. You are pussy like way under Brenda. Got it. Say you're so pussy like one.
First move.
Look. He step out like soldier. And Mr. Palmer. He step out like feds. I informer. I gunshot in your head from the corner.
Mavado get him first move.
Level. Turn up my mic. Don't try about buckler sabotage this. When you feel like when you can't sabotage this. Remember to the real Answer them now. Gossa.
Come to Mavado. Be talking.
Gossa.
People them are left you. Second boo. Second boo. Second boo.
Never. Kill him, Bomboka.
Second boo. Kartel should have DJ and kill him right there, so.
You're a boy dead now. Never. One time. Let me see the alliance ones then.
This is a memeable moment, so. Level.
One there. One there. One there. One Bomboka.
Be a boo. Be a boo.
Full clip on a stick on the road.
Repeating songs. Repeating songs.
Never. It's not enough. Never.
Kartel I give him too much time for talk.
Listen me, Baba. Talking farmer. Don't buy out the blood clot argument. Talk. Can you come on here? Talk. Talk. My sister be a fan of puss. Talk. 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 Too near enough. Talk. How are you? My boy. Look. Talk. Talk.
Vada have no more songs. Vada have no more songs.
If you know Talk.
Be a level.
This man can get gunshot. Never.
If that clash had been more structured, it would have been the wickedest clash that come out. It's still the wickedest clash that come out of Jamaica. I'm going to pause it real quick, sir. Well, I'm pausing right there, sir. If that clash had been way more structured, this would have been the sickest. It is the sickest clash that ever come out of Jamaica, but it would have been even more sicker. First of all, Kartel give Vada too much time for talk, brother. Zin, and the time them when Mavado attack and Mavado don't know him tune them, you should have go in right at that time there, right at the moment, then kill him with tune back to back. Because I remember there was a time, you know, when Mavado drop about four songs, you know, Kartel have him foot on the blood class speaker box and run off him out, and Mavado drop 3-4 tune back to back, and Kartel us there. Bro, Mavado was way more aggressive in the clash, but with lyrics. So far, Kartel put a beat down for Mavado. You see me alone thump and kick right now. Go continue.
Done. In this, broke him famous and done. Kill the police of the purpose and fun. Body got pop up and the run, pussy run. Think I make on them a gun.
Can't give him that, can't give him that.
No, can you come out in the police who know? All in front of Adams, AK balance. Don't shut the crap and you skin like mother. Don't the king of the world.
Burn say AK balance, gunshot a run by your skin like madans. You understand what I say? So Kartel come with some new things right now. Mavado, all Mavado having I'm old tune them, you know. All them gun tune them and all these songs, you know. Kartel come with tune where nobody no hear, or some 4 line and some 8 line when nobody no hear. So Kartel come way more prepared than that clash. I can't continue.
Never. Who's so I talk about Adams? We showed police.
Yeah.
You know that?
Yeah.
Never. You know your chin people. Yeah. I know your jerk chicken. By your blood. That's what I say. Never. 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 Kartel. Tell me boy. You're the barber boy. You're a little barber. Go sir. Yo.
I say Kartel a little barber.
Level down.
Third boo.
Level.
Third boo.
Hear the boo there. Level.
Third boo.
Hear me I say now. Level. Yeah. One shot.
Kartel not get boo yet.
I'm a talk, go sir.
Yet now.
In my boy for my name. I'm in all look. You are liver for my name. I'm in all. She's like girl. What the fourth horses. What the feet the way you get favor. No, no, post. Fourth more friends. Look. Look. Stick.
Mavado.
Chat too much.
And take off your shot too much.
Look. We not up in the favor. No, no, post. Let me tell you this. You're not up in the attack.
Watch it.
Hey boy, I'm a DJ. Look. You're not up in the attack. Bust your blood clot. No. Look. You're not up in the attack. Look. We can't DJ me song. No. We can't DJ me song. Never. Look. Listen. The end that trick you. Shorty can't trick me. This son, you are mine and the soldier man pick me. This son, you are mine. Never.
Man, bring up here. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. A competition this.
Both more thugs them. Now look you back. And in the year you are real top of top. Now support Addy.
Alright, Father, that Liam.
Him fuck Jeffrey. See a gunshot.
Man, bring up casket. Father, that did Liam.
Look. You know what I'm saying for this? Look. Let me tell you, yeah, you are going nice. That can't help your pussy. And you are going nice. Look. Say no. Look. Say no. If you come in. Hey boy. Oh, now it's like I'm over there to come finish up.
Watch nothing.
I'm over there, man. See the blood is like coffee. Stick level. You know the cat come here, go crazy. No police and this year's can't see it.
Mavado, come on, bro. Yo, it's that one. It's if Mavado they give Kartel space for DJ that's shown it. It's a blood clot 4-liner to a slaughter Vada, you know. Shot bust in the ears, bust off your ears ring. It's a blood clot liner. So Kartel I come with the 1-liner them for us fuck him up. You see me? I come with the 4-bar them and the 4th bar at the way you call it now, the punchline. But you see, Vada know the tactics. Vada go some now and disturb him so him not really to get out the truth them so the people can hear Kartel lyrics. Vada smart. Let's go continue real quick. We'll see what I go on because it's so done.
Level. What on there? Imara, I saw Imara. Level. You are never I saw you are never spice. You are crushed every side.
Fourth boo.
So fuck with food.
Fourth boo.
You are
Fourth boo that.
Look. Let me tell you this, Mavado. You know I'm spice, you touch at you watch out. Before you can be in around a house back. You want to see the teachers stack up the
Be a new tune. Kartel bring be a new lyrics.
Different.
Yeah. Man, then change the rhythm pan Kartel.
All I'm on them know say. When we come to see that name, blood clot this.
Ready. I know say them no war. Say them no war. Don't let them see them pull them car.
Yo, it's why you're bomb clot. Let me tell you this. He was to be going to anyway. Nice infrared for him.
Vado, we are more aggressive.
The blood clot is on. We must be going there anyway. If you got a bullet that on them over.
We are the soldier.
A chatty matcha. No, blood clot. When this squeeze in the left hand here, that blood clot.
Keep repeating, bro.
Same, and I make a deal. Same cross me gun. Look, everybody know your occupation. Uncle Thing just squeeze and the sheer refugee stick. I'm going up this big thing like this. What are you going to find in the West? Them shot and on this. Them say we are right crime. Hey, Jabber, the one can't talk to over the go down my house. You know the damn. You know your blood shot my house. It's all of the friends. Tell you know that. Level. We don't ask him to kill him now.
Kill him.
Him say one wild barriers, no. Wait. Him step out in a sing. To surrender. You are pussy like where you're under Brenda. That's how you fuss the war. Run to the star. She'll kill the funny asses. Stop happy, mess up.
You know it's about to get the fire started about holla against.
Yo!
With two you
then. Since we surrender your army, I'm Mr. Palmer, me just like the army. You're so pussy bunch in that punani. The army most blood from them. The boy ever fuck. I'm about the man alone. What that for? You are calm and fuck well before you mother. What that for? Tell that person that I am a sing. To the world. So they can attack. Gangster. And the soul fucker. Chat, cause little bit of people miss an aisle. And never kill nobody yet and hide them. Don't chat in your brain cell. Tell Batman Kartel we make the friend. I want him and them. And that's look. Somebody please tell my father. And last night we did not fuck your mother. But did you like your Batman father? You can't.
Yeah.
No.
Kartel, alright, hold on. Clear it up. I guess somebody you want to talk. When they say, yo, him fuck Mavado mother, you see me? This is the first time Kartel get boo. When time the man say, yo, me fuck your mother. People them never really too like that. So the people them boo Kartel for the first time, cause we literally just point out the boo them. Mavado gone 4 boo, this is a Kartel first boo. Zane? And the video almost done. We have about 2 minutes left, 1 minute left in the video, and the video almost done. So we can finish it right real quick now.
No, fuck mother, level. I'm gonna kill him now before I'm going. You can't kill me, son. You're in bed now. To blood clot. Go fuck my mother. Kartel a freaky. You watch your mother when she a people. Some pussy Kartel can't. You are where I go.
And then Vada cut.
Me now move. Call him on back. Baba boy, call him.
Yeah, man, you can't left a clash like that, man.
Call on the Baba.
Yeah.
Don't run. People don't see a blood clot one and the DJ a coward.
Yeah, man.
And the DJ a coward.
Not even 15 minutes worth of clashing and the dog come off a stage. Me never like that. I never like that then, I never like that now. Watch it. All I'm on them gone.
All the bounce man them gone, I want this.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Pussy, where's some run? No run. You run.
Watch it now, watch it now.
Him tell you some run. I load me gun. Put the shot in hands up, pussy.
The man fling 2 big stones. Watch it.
Nobody cut in the crowd. Me a bad man and just so pussy loud. Vybz Kartel no play that if I go down if I go that. Yeah,
Alright, as me say, you don't know, so that was the clash versus Kartel, Zin and Mavado, the biggest clash ever come out of Jamaica. I'm telling you this right now. Me know who win, but more know who say win. Just left in the comment section because this is the clash right here of two of Jamaica's biggest artists at the time. Then this is my era of music. Them time I go to school, you understand me I say? So they don't know see a Kartel and Mavado around the place, you understand me I say? The two artists, them are wicked artists and they make good music, you see me I say? So let me know what you think in the comment section, you understand me I say? One nation and Imara nation, up move. I'm out.